The morning air feels so nice and cool. Yes, this is the best time to ride, before the sun gets too hot.
I am glad you called me for this ride. I needed to get out of the house.
I thought so. You have been working too much lately.
True, sometimes I forget to take a break.
That is not good for health. We need rest too.
You are right. My wife says the same thing. She is a wise woman. You should listen to her more. I try to, but work keeps calling me back. Work will always be there, but these peaceful moments, they are rare.
Very true. Look at those trees, so green and fresh. The rain last week helped them grow.
Vikram, can I ask you something? Of course. What is on your mind? Do you ever feel stuck? Like you are doing the same things every day? Sometimes, yes. We all feel that way. How do you deal with it? I try to find small joys like this morning ride or reading a good book. Simple things.
When did you learn all this wisdom?
From my father. He always said, enjoy the journey, not just the destination.
That is beautiful. Your father was a good man.
He was. I miss him every day. I understand. My grandfather used to say something similar. The old generation knew many things we are now forgetting.
You know what I realized recently? What?
I have been chasing money all my life. But money does not bring peace. That is a wise realization. Money is important, but it is not everything. Exactly. My son asked me yesterday, Dad, when will you play with me? And I said, later, son, I have work. And how did that make you feel?
Terrible. He looked so sad. I felt like a bad father.
You are not a bad father, Amit. You are just learning balance. Balance. Yes, that is what I need.
We all need it. Work and family, rest and action. It takes time to learn. How do you manage it? You seem so peaceful all the time.
I am not perfect, but I try to remember what matters most. Family, health, peace of mind.
Those are the real treasures. They are. Everything else is temporary. Thank you for this ride, my friend. I feel much better now. Good. That was the purpose. To clear your mind. It worked. The fresh air, the quiet roads, it helps. We should do this more often. Maybe every week? Yes, I would like that. Every Sunday morning? Perfect. Sunday mornings are always peaceful.
And this time, I will not make excuses about work. Good. Your mind and body will thank you. You know, Vikram, I am lucky to have a friend like you. We are lucky to have each other. True friends are rare.
They are. Shall we stop for tea on the way back? Yes, good idea. I know a nice place near the lake.
Lead the way, my friend. With pleasure. Let us enjoy the rest of this beautiful morning.